artificial intelligence becoming the boss from hell is a growing concern in the workplace. Professor Michael Wooldridge, an AI pioneer, warns about the potential dangers of AI tools that monitor employees, offer continuous feedback, and even make decisions about firing. To demystify AI, Professor Wooldridge delivers his Royal Institution Christmas lectures. He emphasizes that AI tools are not magical or mystical, but rather practical tools that can be understood and controlled by humans. AI has its limitations. Unlike humans, AI lacks consciousness and the ability to experience things. Professor Wooldridge highlights these limitations, emphasizing that AI cannot truly understand or feel like humans do. There are risks and concerns associated with AI in the workplace. Professor Wooldridge acknowledges the potential for disinformation, biased advice, and unintended consequences. However, he does not believe that AI poses an existential threat. In conclusion, Professor Wooldridge summarizes the main points discussed. He calls for awareness and responsible use of AI in the workplace, emphasizing the need to consider the ethical implications and potential risks associated with AI.